Yeah. She tired now. Look at her tired, y'all.
You tired too?
Beard and shine color. Hey, you wanna know something? Why you laugh? You wanna know something real funny? That floor in the middle bathroom. Same way.
You think it is?
I looked at the transition when I just walked out there. It's the same transition. It's just difficult.
We definitely gonna have to get us something that's gonna break that up, like something heavy duty.
It's the same way. It's just they built the floor up.
So that mean the kitchen like that too?
The kitchen ain't like that. Nah, kitchen ain't like that. Because the transition, the transition from the toilet, the transition from the living room carpet, you know what I'm saying? You can see, it's just the stuff, you know what I'm saying? The cement. I'm gonna have to get in here and ask them what
type of machine.
No, ask them what type of I need to look at the spacings, like the spacing in between what's called the spaces to use. Like I don't know what size spacing you want in between.
I want as less space as possible.
Somebody getting busy up here. How's it turn? That look, you seen?
That truck.
That car.
That white car.
Yep. Boy, getting busy.
What car is it?
Probably a Charger. Yep, it's a Charger. I called it. 392. Got it smoky.
You did a donut?
Well, I did a couple of them. Yeah, look, he was all of him.
They don't be scared. What's that?
Yeah, they know the police can't catch them. Can't not catch them but a pole or a ditch or another car.
Jesus.
That they run into. But yeah, man, we finna go down here to the Home Depot, man.
Home Depot.
Home Depot, man. We gotta buy a turlet. Oh, man, we probably ain't gonna. I should've drove my car.
Forgot all about that. You
Forgot all about
tired. Tired, ain't it?
Forgot all about it.
Gotta make a Yui.
Man. Yep, I gotta bust a Yui. What kind of over here? Shit. Sure they want to. But yeah.
But we can't do nothing else. You tired, yo. You want to turn around. I told you. You be rushing to do stuff.
I'm trying to think. Is it
thinking you gonna get something done in one night? Boy, you is not gonna get that stuff done. I mean, we is not gonna get this stuff done in one day. It's okay.
Nah, I ain't trying to get it done in one day. I just want to start.
Why we starting?
Yeah, so I'm finna turn around and go get the Firebird, man, because I don't think nobody at the house with no truck.
Get out the Jeep.
Put the toilet in the in the work bird.
Garage and stuff.
So, yeah, let me go on, get back to the house, get the Firebird, and then, yeah, shoot on down here. I'm trying to think if this motherfucker gonna even fit in there. Depending on how big that box is. Let me make a phone call. Damn. Yeah, man, we in the Firebird, dog. So that's like, hey, we gonna sacrifice Firebird on the photo dome. We're gonna sacrifice the Firebird, man. And make it do what it do. toilet in here. Smash that jump down up here, and if that hatch don't close, then it don't close. But we finna go and get us the toilet for the outdoor. That's what we about to do. That's exactly what we about to do. I'm tired from busting that floor up though, I ain't gonna lie to you. But we gotta get spacers. We gotta get cement. Got a bucket. What else? What else we need? Cement, spacers. Spacer clips to make sure they level. Make sure everything level. I think all this stuff about 30 something bucks, 40 something bucks maybe. I got the cement mixer already. Got that from Harbor Freight. Got my big drill at the house. So I think we got everything we need. Pretty much. Like with this run, Home Depot, I think we'll have everything we need. Just 430, 440. So I think I'm doing good timing. It's still early in the day. I'm probably working until the night. Once we figure out the design, I got my diamond wheel to cut. You know what I'm saying? Whatever we need to cut. A diamond blade. Yeah, I think we good. We're gonna make this thing look good. And all the other stuff we need for the toilet, like stuff to block off the toilet from so that sewer gas won't be coming back up in the house. Spotted on it. Driving past me like that. Like a little camera fast and stuff. I ain't not everybody getting over. Man, I ain't finna be able to get over. Alright, let me get on down here, man. These folks, they're like, they don't want me to go to Home Depot or something. Home Depot, nigga, let me over. Back at it again. At the Home Depot. We got the big picnic table. Like, do this jump. How much is on there? 500? 150. Hold on now. 150. Shirt and shoes required, no skates. Damn. So when I buy skates, we can't come skate through this thing. Man, they flow smooth. They flow good and smooth. Uh-oh. I got this copyright on. We're going this way. It's gonna be what's that? Oh, it's the toilet stuff. Blah 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 blah. I'm almost certain I probably done passed it. No, not that. Alright, so I guess we're gonna go and do the toilet first. I made a cart for that though. What's that? Air humidifiers. $800.
It is?
$500. Nah, I'm looking at the hot water tanks.
I know.
I got one for $640. One for $5. Let's see. Huh? You need to sell one? You say you gonna sell one? Damn. What the hell? Oh, the toilet's down here. Oh, you did? I ain't hear you. I ain't hear you. I already got here. That ain't the one you was talking about, though. That's not the one you was talking about. So we gotta go down here. It ain't but one. It's this one. It's only one toilet. $279. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Animal himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look. I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Mine Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Mine Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man. And yeah, enjoy those. Enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. Got 3 of them. We got that cooler. Got us a Kohler toilet. Now we gotta go and find the flooring department. You see it? Oh yeah, flooring. YouTube on the refrigerator, baby. Look. You seen that? YouTube on the refrigerator.
So the good news is,
Wow, my recipe.
Oh man. Yeah, that'll be cold, huh? Alright, so where we going? We got porcelain tile, so that's the paint, so it's gonna be look like tile tools.
See, I thought it was gonna be this size.
What? That's 12 by 24. What? What's that? You would like something like a zebra one. We gotta be able to use this. They got bigger ones though, that's why I said that.
You need the bigger one?
I don't know.
I think we need the bigger one.
That's the big one. That's 12 by 12. They ain't really too much bigger, they just...
The things on it different.
Yeah, that's too big.
I think they used that one though.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Big one.
So,
Big. They used
trowel. Okay, we got this trowel here. And there go your spacers and stuff. Let me hit y'all right back. I told y'all, man, this damn work bird. The work bird is in full effect, man. Stop playing with me. Let me go and put this baby in the car. Hold on. Alright, y'all, so we got the toilet with the smooth sides. Know what I'm saying? Chair height, taller. It's taller than a regular toilet. Elongated bowl. It's white. Plug free.
I would hope so.
Yeah.
Unless y'all want a black toilet.
A black toilet really would have been smooth in there on this towel though. Man, you crazy.
I don't know what I gotta clean up on no black toilet.
Huh?
It
ain't gonna be dirty.
Why not be?
Cause it ain't gonna be dirty.
It will be.
You can't see dirt on a black toilet.
Ugh.
Not bad.
Gross me out.
So, yeah, man, we back to the crib. I don't know how long this video is, but this is as far as we've got without taking out the toilet. So now we gotta take out the toilet so we can finish. So we're gonna put some plastic over the hole because I couldn't find that little cap thing that keeps the sewer from coming up through the toilet or whatever, the sewer gas. So what we gonna do? We're gonna go ahead, undo that line. Undo that line. Let it drip in a bucket. And yeah, finish these towels out, man. You know what I'm saying? Finish these towels out. We're gonna be laying some towels today or tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I'm gonna shut this video down, man. It's your dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Anime himself. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.